Concepts are used to capture additional details within your intent. For ordering coffee, it's important to be able to recognize the size and type of coffee that the user is asking for. So I'm going to click the plus button up here to add a concept. I'm going to name this first one coffee type and the next one coffee size. If you're following along, please be aware that these are case sensitive. Now I'm going to define the concepts I just created. First I'll go into coffee type. You'll notice that it defaulted to a list concept. That means I'm going to provide a list of all the valid literals and values that will make up coffee type. If you remember back to our coffee maker, it could make a few different types of espresso drinks. I'm going to put those types in here as values, and I'm going to think about the literals that users would say to express them. Some of these I'm going to keep very straightforward. Americano, I'm going to give it the value Americano. Espresso will be espresso. Cafe latte and latte will both map to latte. Note that my values could be anything. I chose these in collaboration with my coffee app developer, who is using these values in his code to trigger the coffee maker's responses. You can see examples of this on our lesson page. Okay, so now I'll do the same to define coffee size. Just keeping it simple here, I'm going to have small linked to the value SM, medium MED, large LG, and I'll just add a couple synonyms, single, double, triple. Notice I'm adding multiple literals that map to the same value. You're going to have those kinds of synonyms pretty often, and you'll uncover more synonyms once you get your model out there and discover what users are actually saying to it. At this point, our model is almost complete. In the next video, we'll show you the final step of linking concepts to the intents that will use them.